Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to online class of science of class 4th. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good at your home. Student, today in this video of science, I will give you revision of lesson number 1 and 2 book exercise. So, not further delay, check out your book and open lesson number 1st book exercise. If you have not done it from the previous video, you can do it right now. And I am dictating all the answer. You can write down after listening. Number first question, tick the correct answer. Sugar and starches are carbohydrates. B. A nutrient that keeps us warm is fat. C. A nutrient that is required in very small amount but is essential for the body is vitamin. D. Which of the following has no nutritional value? Rough is. E. A laborer who does a lot of physical work required a diet rich in carbohydrates. Now fill in the blanks. Fats are nutrients that should be eaten in the least quantity. B. Iodine solution is used to test the presence of starch in the food. C. Roughage has no nutritive value. D. Vitamin A is good for the eye and skin. E. Calcium is an essential mineral for the health, bones and teeth. Now third, give two example of food rich in carbohydrates: potato, banana. B. Protein, milk, pulses. C. Fat, butter, oil. D. Iron, carrot, spinach. E. Vitamin C, orange, amla. Now come on next. Here, next page, find out the name of the 10 food item hidden in the word grid. So here I have written cheese, potato, spinach, banana, carrot, onion, egg, rice, milk, beans. This you have to search yourself in the word grid. Now fourth question is, draw one picture each of these food items. Carbohydrate rich food, protein rich food, fat rich food. I have written the name, you have to draw it yourself in the book only. Potato, egg, cheese, butter. Vitamin rich food, carrot. Mineral rich food, apple. Okay. Now next, lesson number 2. Tick the correct. Biting teeth are also called incisors. Food that is good for teeth are carrots. Acid produced by the bacteria eat away the enamel. The hardest part of the tooth is enamel. Number of teeth in a temperate set are 20. So hardest substance of our tooth is enamel. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Question A. A yellow sticky layer found on the teeth is called plaque. B. A dental floss should be used to remove the food stick between the teeth. C. The pulp is soft and has a supply of nerve and blood vessels. D. Cavity is a hole in the tooth. E. The neck lies between the root and the crown. Now next, write true false. First question, when the cavity reaches the soft pulp, we have a toothache. True. Next page. A crown is the visible part of the tooth. True. C. Bacteria grow the fastest on the salty food. False. D. A child cut her first tooth at the age of 1. False. Teeth are fixed in the soft gums. True. Now next, label the different part. Here you can see the labeling of first diagram, enamel, dentine and pulp, and the second diagram, canines, molars, premolars, incisors. The first diagram, this one, you have to draw in your copy. So student, this is the revision of your book exercise. अगर आपने ये पहली वीडियो से नहीं करा है तो आप इसे कंप्लीट भी कर सकते हैं. आई होप यू गेट इट वेल. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे. And your homework is you have to learn all the book exercises of lesson number 1 and 2. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.